Today, let us talk about the Joint Entrance Main Physics paper 2019. Here, a parallel plate capacitor is made of two square plates of side A. Here, the figure is not shown, but in the question paper, the figure is given. This is the two square plates. I draw this. This is the side A and separate it by a distance d. It is separated by a distance d, and the lower triangular portion is filled with a dielectric constant of medium K. In lower triangular portion, this filled with a dielectric constant of K of dielectric media. So, we have to calculate the capacitance. Here, we consider a small area dx at a distance x from one end, and in y-axis and in perpendicular, the distance is y. Here, the distance up to the dielectric medium is y. So, from this figure, we can write it as the perpendicular distance divided by the horizontal distance is equals to d by a. So, y equals to d by a into x. So, dy equals to d by a into dx. So, we can write the small change in capacitance 1 by dc. 1 by dc, we can write this y divided by k for this medium. We can write for the capacitance for this medium y by k epsilon 0 a into dx. Dx is the small portion. This is a into dx, and here a medium of dielectric constant k is present. So we write it y by k epsilon 0 a into dx. This plus for this portion we can write this is d minus y. D minus y. Here there is no dielectric medium. So we cannot write the k. So d minus y divided by epsilon 0 a into dx. This is the a into this smaller area dx. So, this equals to 1 by epsilon 0 a into dx is common. Then we written it as y by k plus d minus y. So, if we take the integration over this is 1 by dc is equals to 1 by epsilon 0 a into dx into y by k plus d minus y. And if we take the integration over dc, this equals to epsilon 0 a into dx divided by y by k plus d minus y. So this c equals to, where we know this y by x is equals to d by a, where dy is equals to d by a into dx. We know this. So here in the place of dx, we written the value of dx from this equation. So epsilon 0 a This is A into A divided by D. This is A divided by D into dy divided by, here this is D plus y is common, so this is 1 by k minus 1. So this is the integration over 0 to D, the distance between the plates. So this constant term is taken out from the integration, epsilon 0 a square divided by 1 by k minus 1 into d. And if we take the integration, then this is the value of log of, as this is dy by y, so this is log y, so log of d plus y into 1 by k minus 1, this is 0 to d, this is 0 to d. So we can write this k epsilon 0 a square divided by, this is 1 minus k into d, this is 1 minus k into d into log of, if we put the d here, this is ln of d plus d into 1 by k minus 1, 1 by k minus 1, then if we put 0, log 0 means 1. So this is divided by d. This equals to k epsilon 0 a square divided by 1 minus k into d log of, here this is, if we simplify this term, this is ln of 1 by k, this is ln of 1 by k, so it can be written as k epsilon 0 a square log of k ln of k divided by k minus 1 into d. So this is the capacitance here. So we have the correct option in this question is 3. This is the correct option. If you have any query, then comment in the comment box or WhatsApp us also in this number. This 9836793076. This is our WhatsApp number. So please WhatsApp us in this number for any query. So that's all for today.